This is a video on adding motion in your video. So let's get started. Let's suppose I am using this video. I want add a motion in the starting of the video. So simply double right click and go to the motion. I want a rotating motion this time. Right click on it and apply. As you see that in the starting of my video, it seems that it's a professional video. So these are some good tools of adding a motion. And let's suppose I'm splitting here and I want to add another motion. So simply double right click and go to motion. I want a clockwise rotate, counterclockwise. So right click and apply. So let's play our video. As you see that my video is rotating and it's a good effect. If you don't have equipment of rotating a video and make some cool effect, this video is for you. Seems like professionally video. You play with motions and you can simply add some good effects in your video.